DeltaNET 7 brings 30 years of features and functionality into the most customizable and easy-to-use CRM platform in real estate. We deliver unique experiences for each and every brokerage that implements the platform, and we have created the real estate industry's first automated marketing platform designed to be used by agents of any technology level. Brokerages that implement the DeltaNET 7 platform have the ability to customize the system, defining their own unique navigation, white labeling the platform to match their company's branding, and even defining which buttons, which features, and widgets exist on the system for every user of the platform. To illustrate this, we'll showcase the navigation and access system, which allows any brokerage to define which user roles exist within the company. Navigation and access will allow you to do things like create a simple mode for those non-techie agents, or an advanced mode for the agents that want to take advantage of every single feature that the system has to offer. For example, we can look at our homepage here and define which buttons are on the page, what features and widgets are showcased on our homepage, where you can seamlessly add widgets and features and create your own pages, which will create your own unique interface for your brokerage. Let's take a look inside of one example of DeltaNET 7, keeping in mind that your version may look completely different from what you see within this video. The DeltaNET platform allows you to have AI-driven task creation, so each time your agents log in, they've got tasks and activities created for them so they know which contacts to focus on to prospect for the day. DeltaNET 7 also allows agents to create their own favorite tiles, so they can seamlessly see which favorite features they would like to have displayed and available to them, no matter where they're at within the system. So if I want to have access, for example, into one of our tools, such as the message blast system, I can easily add that to my favorites and have immediate access to it. The interface for DeltaNET 7 is identical on both mobile and desktop. The mobile app view retains all of the features and functionality of the desktop version of the system, where you can seamlessly see your notification bell, so you can see all the activity that you need to respond to from within the system. You can also access your favorite tiles, and of course, take advantage of our patent-pending Quick Actions tool, which allows you to find any feature of the DeltaNET simply by typing in the name of the feature you're looking for. No need to remember all the steps it takes to get to those different features when you can easily type in the keyword you're looking for and access those features. Let's say we're in the middle of building a blog and a customer calls in. You can seamlessly type in the name of that contact and it'll pull up the contact record where you can see all the ways you can interact with that customer. You can see all the related family accounts tied to their system. You can also see any tasks, notes, properties they viewed, and activity that they've taken, all tracked on their profile page. The beauty of the DeltaNET is that no matter where you're at in the system, you're always on your core homepage. You never actually leave the page you're working from, making it easy to do things like look at user accounts, edit customers, click in, add notes to a contact, and more, all without ever needing to leave the page you're working on. The way that the system is built allows you to have a seamless experience where you're never leaving that homepage dashboard. Additionally, this is all tied in with our DeltaNET Academy training and education system. DeltaNET Academy gives you, for the first time, the ability to have user courses for training for things like customizing your website, organizing your database, and more, all built directly into the DeltaNET, where you as an admin can assign courses to be completed by your agents, see that there's due dates tied to these courses, and work step by step through integrated training courses, where as your users complete their training content, new features unlock for them within the system. Not only can you create DeltaNET Academy courses for the DeltaNET, you can use this to create custom training courses for things like new agent onboarding. If you have a new agent starting, you can assign a DeltaNET Academy course where they can then easily see where they go to get their signs, order marketing, in the day one experience that you want to deliver to your new agents. On top of that, we've got hundreds of different features integrated into the platform, such as the ability to integrate in seamless email drip campaigns, which allow you to create great integrated content where you could see, for example, any users that are a part of a campaign will have emails, text messages, and to-dos created as part of those campaigns. Our My Customer for Life AI-driven newsletters, which have hundreds of articles of content, allowing you to seamlessly market to your customers for buyers, sellers, and home improvement content. And of course, we still maintain Social Connector, one of the most popular tools of the DeltaNET that allows you to connect your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn accounts directly to the DeltaNET and set up automated posts that will run directly to your social accounts. We even have taken it a step further by integrating in our AdWizard product that allows your users to create marketing for Facebook, Instagram, and Google to run paid ads for things like new listings, open houses, and more, even created automated payment profiles where you can set a budget and every time you get a new listing, easily have a $30 ad running on Facebook, or every time you get an open house, create a $40 ad to run through Facebook. We also are introducing for the first time Delta Create. Delta Create is our integrated print marketing, postcard, brochure, and email marketing tool that allows you to get access to hundreds of different postcards, templates, and more to manage your marketing for your listings, open houses, and general brand. For example, if I want to come into the system and build a postcard, I can find my favorite postcard, go into the Create interface, and this is going to allow me to build unique marketing. For example, I can see my listings on the left-hand side, click on a property, it's going to automatically map all of the relevant content into my design. I can see all the photos that I can easily switch out to inside of this postcard, do things like change and adjust the size of my photo and information, even manage how this print material is going to look when it is sent on print via Express Docs or other local printers. We're also maintaining Delta Pitch coming through from the DeltaNET 6 platform. So let's say you want to build a CMA. There's an integrated platform allowing you to come into the DeltaNET and build a CMA in as little as 2 clicks. You've got many designs available out of the box, and brokerages can create their own marketing material as well. Not only for Delta Pitch with CMA templates, but also building great marketing collateral for things like postcards, brochures, or other new listings, where you can upload your own material imported via Adobe InDesign or built inside of the Delta Create Creative Studio, where you now have access to manage CMAs and all of your other marketing through the Delta Pitch and Delta Create platforms. There are other great internal intranet features tied in as well. Taking a look at things like our Cloud Delta file storage platform, the ability to see agent rosters, internal message boards through haves and wants, help center activity, and more. Finally, it all comes together in a complete all-in-one package, allowing you to manage beautiful websites that are tied to your CRM and marketing platform. Agents have access to dozens of different themes that are available for you to select from and customize the website that you've got selected. So you can easily preview and build different versions of your website, manage the pages of your website, even single property websites, and more. Not only do you have access to beautiful looking websites through the Delta Pitch program, you've also got the ability to generate seller leads through our AVM tools. So every brokerage and agent website powered by Delta Media Group gives you the ability to generate new buyer leads, but also do things like generate seller leads as well. To illustrate, I'll enter a rental property that we've got here in Northeast Ohio, where you can simply type in that address, and it's going to take you to a landing page where you can see a Google Street View of that property. You're able to see multiple estimates on the value of the home. It'll give you real-time market statistics, integrated heat maps, and more. And this is just one example of the ways that our beautiful websites come together to help generate more leads for you. If you're interested in learning more about how the DeltaNet can empower your business, please visit www.deltagroup.com or contact sales@deltagroup.com.